chefizing it and transforming it into something that just has that complete wow factor in every way. Presentation, flavor, everything.
I love to take really classic things and remodel them for today.
We're constantly transforming everything that comes into our kitchen space at our core.
The next Iron Chef, Road to Kitchen Stadium, is presented by Buick. It's your kind of luxury.
Lose yourself in a delicious lunch. Special K protein shakes and meal bars. With 10 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber each.
No, but I'm recording her.
So you can stay on track. Satisfaction. What will you gain when you lose? Love your lunch with Special K protein shakes and meal bars.
I'm recording her.
Japanese
Drink from the thing. From the fishbowl. Do other kittens do this?
Sublime.
Do other cats do this?
Rice vinegar is the zest in salad. The spark
Without eating the fish?
the zest in sauces. Rice vinegar balances every bite and completes every recipe. Rice vinegar is Kikkoman.
What do you think of this one? Really? What's that?
Hi, Boots.
This is a rose I made from turnip.
I want to see her do her paw thing again. I want to see her like do her
Fit in one kitchen.
paw dip
Come in
again.
today and save up to 20% on a kitchen from IKEA.